What up, gang? It's your boy ZaZa, man, and this is a video we got by request, man. Someone wanted me to explain how to reverse a female plant in the 3 ways that I know how to do it. Let's get into it. Get it!
Wow. Like, comment, share, subscribe, you heard me?
Yeah, you know it.
Turn up the leaf blower and the lawnmower. He smoked the sour. Should've been a hippie, should've been a shower. Bread with no dread, black cock, who ya?
Another thing, don't forget to join the Discord.
Now, gibberellic acid, or GA3, is a plant hormone that's already existent within the plant, already naturally occurs within the plant. So it's actually there to help regulate flower development. When you apply to a female plant, GA3 stimulates the production of male flowers or pollen sacs instead of female flowers. So there are 2 common methods for applying GA3, as a foliar spray, or you can do the soaking method, which is basically specific plant parts, flowers, branches, and you take them, you soak them in a solution. All right. 2, colloidal silver. Colloidal silver is a bunch of tiny silver particles in the form of a liquid. You may have seen it used as antimicrobial properties in humans, although there really is no scientific research to support any claims of health benefits with colloidal silver in humans. So keep that in mind. When colloidal silver is sprayed on female plants, it actually inhibits the production of ethylene. When ethylene binds with copper within the plant, this helps your girl to develop her beautiful flowers, right? When silver stops the production of ethylene and prevents the binding process of copper, the plant develops male flowers and pollen sacs instead, ultimately. So application should be applied several times a day around week 3 to start. Number 3, silver thiosulfate. Silver thiosulfate is a combination of silver nitrate and sodium thiosulfate. It's actually used as a flower preservative and has the same ability to suppress ethylene just like silver, colloidal silver. Now, my brother Allada Khalifa Genetics has an awesome video explaining how to make and apply silver thiosulfate. So if it's something you might be interested in, I'll leave the video link in the comments. Go over and check that video out. Now, in summary, all 3 can help you achieve the same results in a different way. But as a brand new breeder or grower, I'm always gonna recommend colloidal silver as an entry level into reversing your plants. All right, so I hope that helped out. I hope that explained, the 3 different ways that you can reverse a female plant and points you in the right direction as a new and upcoming breeder. If you got any questions, you know what to do. Hit that comment box or just hit me straight in the DM. I answer all my DMs, man. I appreciate y'all. Love y'all. Support the team. Comment, like, subscribe. You know the vibes. Bow.
The money ain't stopping, so I ain't easy. Hot boy gotta feed.